morning, dear children. It's me, your brother, Miss Amis. Today we are going to study now EVS class. Take your textbook, page number 22. Today we are starting 5th chapter. What is the name of chapter? What is? Yes, clothes we wear. Clothes we wear. We have so many clothes. Do you have so many clothes? Yes, we have so many clothes. In textbook, you can see two children, Adil and Revati. Adil and Revati. There are so many dresses for Adil and Revati. Adil and Revati have so many dresses. Write A for Adil's dress and R for Revati's dress. Okay, here given us some clothes. Which one is Adil? Which one is Revati? You want to write here A for Adil and R for Revati. First picture, what is that? Trouser. Whose dress is that? Yes, Adil's dress. We write there A. Okay. Okay, take your pencil and write there A. Second, frock. Whose dress is that? Adil? Okay, not Adil. Frock is Revati's dress. Yes. So write there R. First one A. Second R. Next T-shirt. Whose? Yes, Adil. We write there A. Next skirt. Whose dress? Yes, Revati's dress. So we write there R. Next shirt. Yes, Adil. A for Adil. Okay, very good. Next, we say we have so many dresses. We wear clothes to cover our body. We wear clothes to cover our body. To cover our body. Okay. We study about our body parts. We study our which chapter? Second chapter we study about body. Okay. So, we wear clothes to cover our body. They also protect our body from heat, cold, rain and dirt. Clothes also protect our body from heat, cold, rain and dirt. Okay, next cotton clothes. Okay, cotton clothes. Cotton clothes. You know cotton clothes? Do you have cotton clothes? Yes, we have. We wear cotton clothes in summer. We wear cotton clothes in summer. They keep us cool. They keep us cool. Cotton clothes are made of cotton. Cotton clothes are made of cotton. Look at the picture. Page number 22. Can you see cotton dress? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4 cotton clothes. We wear cotton clothes in summer. When we wear cotton clothes? Yes, summer. They keep us cool. Cotton clothes are made of cotton. Cotton clothes are made of cotton. Where does cotton come from? എവിടെ നിന്നാണ് നമുക്ക് കോട്ടൺ കിട്ടുന്നത്? Yes, it comes from cotton plants. It comes from cotton plants. Okay. Next, woolen clothes. Woolen clothes. Woolen clothes. When it is cold, we wear woolen clothes. They keep us warm. They are made of wool. When it is cold, you know cold? Yes. When we have cold, we wear woolen dress. Look at the picture. Yes, that is woolen clothes. They keep us warm. Chud. They are made of wool. They are made of wool. Where does wool come from? എവിടുന്നാണ് നമുക്ക് wool കിട്ടുന്നത്? It comes from sheep. ഷീപ്പിൻ്റെ രോമത്തിൽ നിന്നാണ് നമുക്ക് wool ലഭിക്കുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, രോമക്കുപ്പായം. Woolen clothes, രോമക്കുപ്പായം. We wear when it is cold. Okay, read that. Woolen clothes. When it is cold, we wear woolen clothes. They keep us warm. They are made of wool. Okay. Next, when it is rain, we wear raincoat and gumboots. When it is rain, we wear raincoat and gumboots. Do you have raincoat? Do you like to play in rain time? Yes, we wear raincoat when it is rain. We do not get wet. When we wear raincoat, we do not get wet. നമ്മൾ നനയില്ല. If we wear a raincoat, നമ്മൾ റെയിൻകോട്ട് ധരിച്ചാൽ നമ്മൾ നനയില്ല. മഴയത്തൂടെ നടന്നാലും എന്ത് ചെയ്യില്ല? നനയില്ല. We also use an umbrella in the rainy season. We also use an umbrella in the rainy season. Okay. Can you see a child wear gumboot and a raincoat in here standing in a rain? Okay. Okay, take your textbook and read again. Cotton clothes. We wear cotton clothes in summer. They keep us cool. Cotton clothes are made of cotton. Woolen clothes. When it is cold, we wear woolen clothes. They keep us warm. They are made of wool. When it is rain, we wear raincoat and gumboots. We do not get wet if we wear a raincoat. We also use an umbrella in the rainy season. Okay, very good. You read this chapter. Okay, it's time for wind up our class. I hope you understand my class. Okay, thank you. Bye.